everyone, Piyush Mittal this side, and today I'll discuss that how can you create your Lambda function. So this is my SMS service uh, uh, for which I have you know one Lambda function. So I'll discuss that how to create your Lambda function. So here I have this callback class and one request handler interface. So this is the main thing in order to use your Lambda function. So if you want to create your Lambda function, you have to implement request handler interface. So since you are implementing this interface, you have to override its handle request method, and you can have your own customized method as well. So here I'm having messaging request method in which I am taking two parameters, input stream and context. So this is your wish. If you have to take some input stream uh, from the whoever is using your Lambda function has to push some data to your Lambda function, right? So in order to get that data, you have to use input stream, and if you want to send back some data uh, to that particular service who is accessing your Lambda function, you just add one more parameter uh, that is nothing but output stream. So in my another session, I'll discuss about it. So here I'm, as of now, we'll discuss about input stream and context. So context is nothing but to access your other services in AWS. Suppose you want to, print some log of your Lambda function, you just use your context parameter. So here its name is arg, and you can have one method that is getlogger dot log. So whoever whatever log you'll print using your context parameter will be available on CloudWatch of that particular log. So that was about context. So here that was all about the method, and now I'll tell you that what libraries or what APIs you have to use to create your Lambda function. So I have used some apart from the Amazon APIs, I have used some other APIs as well. So I'll tell you about Amazon API only. So here you have to use SDK Lambda, uh, the SDK provided by AWS for Lambda function, and you have to use AWS Lambda Java Core API for that. So now the question is that how can you upload, or how will you make your Lambda available, that this code. So this is very simple. You have to create one jar of this particular uh, uh, this particular module. So I have this POM, and which will include all the dependencies, and will create one jar for this module, and that jar I'll use uh, in my Lambda function in AWS. So let's go to the uh, direct location in my system. So this is the directory location of this SMS project. I'm using POM tool to build my project. So I'll execute some command like ambient clean compile install. So this is the command to the create jar file which will include all the dependencies, and which will create one jar which will be having all the dependencies used in this particular module. So ambient clean compile install, it is executing, and in target folder it will create one jar file. So it is compiling, it is compiling. So some time back I already compiled it, and I'll tell you that, because it may take some time to come build that project. So it will create one jar file which will be having all the dependencies. So that's why its size is around 11 MB. So this is the jar you will upload to your Lambda function. So in services, you have to type Lambda here and go to your Lambda function. I mean, go to your Lambda service. Here you have create function. Just click on that and create